the idea now, he's filming, but no worries, just come. The idea is for us to give value to our customer, give value to our audience. We have a lot of small businesses, medium-sized businesses that are they are struggling, with their marketing and sales, because what we've come to understand is that marketing has become a science. It's become a science because you can actually measure stuff, from the data that we're talking about and capturing data. You can actually use those data, to inform most decisions that you make. So the focus of today's talk is about how businesses can actually get value from the data that they are capturing. But the key thing is that most businesses haven't actually seen the importance of capturing data. So they have their reasons why they've not been doing it. They feel data is something very, very far fetched. It seems very difficult for them to start off with. And you were a data analyst. You've worked with businesses. You've helped them analyze different kinds of data, small, medium-sized businesses, and now you're on board. I'm so happy that you're on board with Coaches Web Nigeria Limited as our chief technology officer. So how can you direct, how can you guide, small and medium-sized businesses looking at using data for their own strategic advantage?
Okay, first thing first, if you can't measure it, it's as good as nothing. Now, I think most of the small organizations, they are not aware. They don't know what to. Although they read about data, they just think it's a cumbersome and complex process. So they don't know how to go about it. That's why you have some entrepreneurs now. They try to advise these guys that yes, this is the best way to go about these things.
Okay.
I think now, first thing, if you get this data now, if you get the basic information and data, you need an expert, someone in the field that can explore this data and tell you that this is the way forward based on your business.
Okay, so if I'm a small business owner
Yes.
right now, and I was able to capture this data, does it mean I need to hire the service of an expert? If for example, I get an Excel sheet, I get an Excel sheet and I create different variables, different factors, as you data analyst you call it, and I capture this data from my customers, I capture this data from my sales operations and all that. Is it not possible for me to analyze this data myself, and must I seek for the service of an expert? Because I'm a small business person and I don't have that kind of amount to hire the service of a data analyst. What am I supposed to
Of
do?
course, it's possible for you to see everything. Of course, you see the trend. If you can make a basic trend analysis, you see everything. You see the insight. You can easily get the insight. It's your business. You understand it better. But why I always suggest, why I always say you should put in the services of an expert, because, of course, yeah, the expert has his own experience,
Okay.
so he may likely see what you can see.
Okay.
So you can just tell the expert 1 month, 2 months is enough difference for you to create value. 1 month, 2 months of analysis, you can get good value from your data. So it's not something you can put the expert for a long term, 1 year, 2 years. With that, you should understand the processes better.
Okay. So what kinds of data do we have out there for businesses?
Okay. I would say the data basically they are divided into two forms: structured and unstructured. You can get it from structured, basically, most of the data you get from the database, CSV files and database. You can easily write SQL queries to get those ones. They are structured.
Now my head
Yes.
is busting because I don't understand what CSV file is. and
Okay.
what- Yeah.
It's like CSV file, just like a spreadsheet too. So all those ones are structured. They can easily align it and get the basic information. Unstructured data, we have mobile devices, internet, we have social network platforms, Twitter, Facebook. Those are unstructured. It's very difficult to, of course, if your business is online, it's very difficult to get those data and clean those data. But as a small business, when you start, I think it's advisable to start with a relational database or a spreadsheet. Like I said, those are structured. You can easily get those things. You can easily make your analysis on a small scale and get the insight you want to get.
Okay, so key because you talked about getting a relational database and creating a structured database, with Excel, right? And every business should start off with that, because it seems that customers come in most businesses, they buy, they purchase, they hire the service of businesses, and they leave. The business does not make any effort at all, to capture the informations of these customers. Why we are actually advising businesses to do that is because the information they capture from their customers can be used in different ways. So what ways are businesses going to use their data to?
Okay, you can first thing for like a supermarket buying habits. There was this case I read about. Based on what the customers bought, the supermarket was able to predict that these young ladies are pregnant, and they were not even aware they were pregnant. It's just their appetite, what they felt like eating. They were just buying those basic things, and over time they discovered that customers who bought those things were pregnant. So then I told this young lady, are you pregnant? She said, no, she's not. She did a test and she was pregnant. So I think you can inform their decision. You can know their buying habits. You can predict what they want to buy in the next 2 months, 3 months, and it's going to be good for your business. So in case you don't have any scarcity of anything, you know when to get these materials, when available things in your own supermarket. When you inform their decision, predict what they will buy in the next, what can happen in the next 1 month, in the next 2 months, it's going to be good for your business.
Okay.
You won't be caught lagging behind.
Okay. What I hear you say is about marketing, basically, because if you understand the frequency with which your customers buy, you understand what informs their buying habits. Most of the time, they buy because it could be some buying habits could be impulsive, some could be because they have a need that they want to solve actually. And if you understand how your customers buy, you understand details about your customers after you've captured this data. I think it's very important because it informs your marketing communications. It informs the kind of promotions that you give to which customer, and which customers are you going to give promotions to, on what kind of products, and which customers are you going to focus on, maybe discount offerings as the case may be. So if you want to drive any marketing initiative, it shouldn't be like a mass marketing initiative, because understanding your customers to that granular level, like getting individual customer-based data, it makes you understand your customers on individual basis. And when you do that for every business, it now gives you such leverage to use data in different ways. I think that's where you talked about data exploration.
Yeah,
so
data exploration.
How do companies explore data?
Okay, like I said, an analyst can just come up, he has all the spreadsheet and everything, he explore the data to see, yes, look at the trend analysis, weigh all the variables, can I get value from this one? Unnecessary data, after the exploration process, getting all the necessary data at once, you can clean some parts, like, okay, I want to delete it, this one is not necessary for now, I may likely not need this one for this first analysis, so you clean the data and everything, and you put everything, like, you visualize them, because we understand what we see better. The stakeholder, the customer, anybody will understand what they see better. Not these, they don't want the maths behind all those things. They want to see the visualizations. You tell them that this is it, step by step, this is what has been happening, and right about now, this is the level we are. So when you get those insights, basically, when you see those visualizations, of course, you know what to do. When you communicate this thing, when you communicate it, an expert, someone with the domain knowledge in marketing should know what he wants to use that data for.
That's fine. Thank you for your time, Alex. Thank you very much for your time, Alex. Next week, we'll be talking about how businesses could actually leverage the power of data. Data has come to stay. In fact, as a matter of fact, data is the #1 resource in the world. It has actually beaten oil as the #1 resource in the world. We see the rise of Google, we see the rise of Amazon, we see the rise of Facebook. These companies have used data to their own advantage. Most importantly, small businesses too could actually take advantage of that. If they capture this customer level data, they understand which customers are more profitable. They understand the kind of marketing initiatives that they need to drive to make these customers come back and retain these customers, and even for customers that are like these customers, so for their business to be very profitable. Thank you, and join us next week. Goodbye.
God we trust, all of that must bring data. Mike, I missed out anything?
No, we learn. Our learning process.
Okay.
No judging.